Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a 3-in-1 video. I'm going to be doing a review on my Pochette Accessoires. I'm going to be showing you guys the different chains and accessories that I use. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY multi-pochette. So if you think that you'll be interested, make sure that you keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. I guess we're gonna start the video just doing like a really quick review, showing you guys the wear and tear. So this bag I bought pre-loved, and based on the date code, it was made September 2001 in Spain. So this bag is 2020, so this bag is about like 19 years old, which I think is incredible. Like, it's in amazing condition for it to be that old. Something that I really love about Louis Vuitton, I feel like their bags just last forever and ever, so I definitely think that they're a good investment. I'm just going to show you guys the just how it looks, and here is it says made in Spain, it says Louis Vuitton. And one thing I do have to say is this bag does, it has a little bit of tarnish, like I'm not gonna lie. In the LV, it does have quite a bit of tarnish. But every now and then, every couple months, I do try to put some tarnish remover on it, and that definitely brightens it up and makes it look a lot better. And on the inside, just to make sure that it keeps its shape, I keep an insert. And I'll show you guys the insert that I use. And this is the insert that I use. I just got this from Etsy, and it's from the brand Nelly Z organizer, and I'll definitely link it down below. So it's just a felt organizer, and it has quite a few pockets. It has like two pockets right here, and then it has another pocket right here, and then it also has an inside. So I really like this. You can fit a lot in this bag, even though it looks pretty small. You can fit a lot, and I just feel like the organizer really just helps you keep everything organized, and of course it helps keep its shape. So I really love keeping an organizer in here. Yeah, when I first got the bag, I really loved to just use different size chains. And I got these from Amazon also. So I got two different styles of chains. I got this chain, which I love to wear like crossbody, and I'm gonna put mod shots so you guys can see. But one thing that I really love about these chains is that they kind of have that Louis Vuitton type of hooks on them, like right here. So that's something that I really like. So it kind of matches the purse, and this is just long, it's crossbody. And I believe that this is, well, it doesn't say how long it is, but I'll have to double check. I really don't know on top of my head how long it is, but I know I got it to fit crossbody. And then this one is smaller, and this is a little bit shorter, and I just got it to kind of fit as more like a shoulder bag. And this is the chain with the same hooks. And I believe I got them from the same company, and I'll definitely link them down below. So I recently, a couple months ago, I actually did a repair, and I ordered the new strap from Louis Vuitton. I emailed them, I sent the pictures of my bag. So then they sent me, I'm not gonna lie, it took like a while for them, but they finally like approved it. They looked at that, I sent the date code and everything like that, so they finally approved it. And then they sent me this. I paid $60 to get a new strap. So this strap is actually longer. The newer models are actually longer than the original ones. So I actually kind of like it. Like, I really like the shoulder part of it. I feel like I have like a lot more room, and it's not so like small. I wish I had the original to compare, but I don't, sadly. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Obviously, since this is new, it doesn't really match the vachetta of the older one, but I know that, you know, as time goes on, it is going to get darker and it will eventually match it. Like that I was able to get a new strap, so I really like that. And it just came in this dust bag, Louis Vuitton dust bag. Maybe since I've gotten this strap, I've honestly just been wearing this. But I was looking at a YouTube video, and I saw that someone made like a multi-pochette, and I was like, oh my goodness. But she used the coin purse, just like the original coin purse, but I didn't have that. So I was like, oh my God, let me just use my keychain, because I've had this for forever. This was my first Louis Vuitton purchase. And yeah, like I've had this for years and years, since I was like a freshman in college. So yeah, it's very like close to the heart. I bought this my own self. I was literally so excited, but yeah. So So I bought this strap from Amazon also, and like the other ones, it has that traditional Louis Vuitton hooks that I really like. And then it even has like the vachetta right here. And then it's just brown. They have so many colors. They have pink, green, all types of colors. But I just went with the brown because I feel like I could wear it more often. Comes just like this. So I bought these little small hooks right here. I bought these from Amazon and they match like the Louis Vuitton hook too. And they're right here. I have a whole bunch. I only needed one, but it comes with all of these. And I'm gonna link these down below. So then I bought these little small hooks from Hobby Lobby. And then I just put the small hook on here and then I just attached it to the keychain. And that's what I did. It was really quick. So I only had to use 2 extra hooks. And it was super easy, and the strap was super inexpensive. I think I paid like 30 bucks for this, like super inexpensive. So I've just been using this like this, and I love how it looks. I actually really wanted the Prada re-edition, but I just was like, I really don't want to get it because I know, like, I don't like to get super trendy bags because, you know, 5 years from now, I might not really like it as much as I do now, just because it's like really trendy. So I was like, I don't know if I should get it. But then I saw this and I was like, hey, I can just make my own little DIY. So here it is, and I really like it. And you know, I already had these items, so, and it still gets that really strapped look that's super in style right now. It's super versatile just because they have so many accessories now for the Pochette Accessoires, just because it's such a classic bag. You can do all types of different straps. Like, it's just endless how versatile this bag is. So I can do, like I said, I can do a strap like this. I can do the traditional strap. I can do the chains. Oh, I can do the chains. They even have like pearl chains. I definitely want to get one of those. They have like a really cute pearl chain. I've seen that and it's so cute. So I even want to get that. Like, I just like this bag is so versatile, and you really can get such a great deal like on Fashion File and The Real. I was really trying to get this bag for years and years, like from the store, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it pre-loved. Like, there's just no point in just keep on waiting and waiting when I could already have this bag. I'm so happy that I have it in my collection. And yeah, I definitely think that is something that you guys should pick up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a pretty quick video, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys, do like a quick review, kind of show you guys how you can make this bag really quick. The accessories and the tools that I use will be linked down below, and I'll show you just the chains that I use. That will be linked down below also. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Put it out the coupe in the lot, order for 12 fuck swat. Put it out the coupe in the lot, order for 12 fuck swat.